Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello, welcome to my channel Kritika Entertainment. Today I will tell you what is multiprocess. What is multiprocess? Multiprocess means it is a, suppose here is the server, here is the number of clients are there, and that time if this server is connected, this client is connected to the server, this is the C1, this is the C2, this is the C3, this is the C4. Suppose if this client is connected to the server, then and that will be, and next client will try to connect, then it cannot be accepted from the C2 unless until C1 completed the request. So that time what will happen? Now we use the multiprocess. Multiprocess means what? Now each client create one process. That process is created by your which function? Now fork function. So then when server will send or receive the data from the client, then it will be passed through the process. So this is the C1 process, C2, C3, C4. C1 means client 1, client 2, client 3, client 4. Then multiprocess means each in the server it will be create a number of processes for the number of clients. So server will create a 4 processes, server for the 4 processes. Then when C1 will be goes to the request, then send the request, the server will be allocate the C1 process for this client 1. Then C2 again when it will try to connect, then server will allocate the C2 process. All these processes are done by the fork function. So in the fork function, your fork function returns 3 types of value. Fork function returns 3 types of value. First is 0, second is -1, third is positive value. Positive value. 0 means what? If it is a child process. If it returns to 0, that means it is a child process. It is dedicated for child process. -1 means it is error, and positive means what? It is a parent process. So remember, your child code and parent code both are same. That means it is share the code, but their address space is different. So there is share the code, but address space is different. So you remember here one thing. Suppose we are calling the fork function if what? Now suppose int pid is equal to fork. Okay, then if pid equals to 0, then here will be write the what is a data communication code. Then else here will write the what? Now connection code for the client. So you remember here data communication, there are 2 types of FD we are using in server. That means first is what? Server FD, second is the client FD. Then remember, client FD is used for communication, data communication. Server FD is used for what? Connection requested from the client. So you remember here we do not use the for data communication purpose. We are always using the client FD. Client FD means it will be written by the accept function. So server FD, here is no need is server FD for data communication. So here always remember we are use the server FD. Here in the child process we always close the server FD, and inside here we are using the send and receive function. But in what? Client FD, in the connection code, what we are doing? We are doing the we have done the what? Here data communication no need. So here we will close the what? Now client FD, but here we will use the accept function for communication. But remember here in the if equal to 0, then here we use the loop, infinite loop for the request for the data communication, infinite type. And here we are using the else part, we are using an accept function. But remember where to be for function is written. For function is written after for function where to be written. Now suppose here you remember where to purpose accept. Now after accept function will be use the for function. Suppose int client, here I write the int client fd is equal to accept function. Okay, accept function returns the client fd. Then if client fd successfully created, then here will be write the which function. Now for function will be called here. Then int pid is equal to for. Okay, then remember here will be write the which code, the data communication code, and here else will be write the here which code. Now accept code, data communication, here will have the connection requested code. So we have, so in for function what will create, it will create two processes, and same code you can find also server and parent process, same code you will also find the child process. So already it is the parent process. So here no need to write twice accept function. Here also only plain write what close client fd, because in the communication, in the connection part, there is no need the write the, but no need the which fd, na client fd, because client fd is used for data communication. So here no need the write the which fd. Now here in data communication part there is no need the server fd. Here we close the server fd, here we close the client fd. So you remember why we use the for function after accept, because if accept is requested by accept is return the successful client fd, then we use the for function to decide whether if client will be connected to the server, then it will create a child process. So after accept function will be write the for function. Okay, then will be now come to the system. Now I will write the what code, na process, multiple process. Okay, then I call the multi-process. Then okay, then you come to the system. Now I will be create a how to create a for function to handle the multiple client request in the socket programming. So let's come to the program.
हाँ, अभी मैं आपको दिखाने जा रहा हूँ मल्टी प्रोसेस इन सॉकेट प्रोग्रामिंग. सो what will do here, I will write the program gedit, suppose for function for server, then 5.c. okay, then for now I will write the code. We just see it has include stdio.h, then has include string dot h, then next is has include stdlib dot h, then has include what will write, has include your sys types dot h, then has include sys socket dot h, then next has include alpha slash inet dot h, then has include net inet slash in dot h, then next has include net inet slash ip dot h, then next has include what uni std dot h. okay, then has inc dot h. okay, then I will start the program. int main, we just see how much speed I am writing the code. int server FD. You remember whenever you write the for function, it will be used only server. No need to write in the client side. So because client will be standalone, it will be write a simple program. So here like the AF underscore inet, then what is write sock stream. Okay, then sock stream, then IP photo underscore what TCP. Then project what the if server FD is equal to -1, then what is right now printf error socket error socket case effect. Okay, then slash n, then execute, then calculate, then I will write the structure declare stock attr underscore in, what is server, then I will write the client. Okay, then what is right if server dot scene family is equal to af underscore inet. Okay, then server dot scene port is equal to STONS port over 5000. Okay, then you write the server dot scene underscore attr dot s underscore attr is equal to inet underscore attr. You will write the 127.0.0.1. Okay, I will write bus speed. Then you will write the find function INDP is equal to what now find. You will write the find. You will write now server FD server. You will write the server FD. Then we will write the what stock attr. Then pointer type. Then pass the server &server. Then we will write the what the size of server. Okay, server. Then we will close it. Okay, so here write the if b equal to -1. Then what to write here? Error. So here write the if b equal to -1, then bind failure. Then you write the print exit 0. Okay, then here my program will be terminated. Then what will happen? Then we will write the action function int new suppose client FD is equal to, but before that will be I write the listen function. Okay, listen function is make a queue for all incoming requests or it will create a buffer for incoming request server FD, and then write the 5. I want to connect with 5 clients. So here I will write the int size is equal to size of stock attr. Okay, then if client FD is equal to what accept, you will write the accept. Here will write the what is the you will write the accept. You write the server FD, and then you write the stock attr. Okay, then pointer, then ampersand. Here you pass the client information will comes when it is connected from the client side. So here we write the ampersand size. Okay, ampersand size. Then here we write the if client FD equal to -1. Then what is p error? Then accept error. Okay, then slash n. Okay, then exit 0. Okay, then exit 0. Then look good. Okay, then printf accept request accepted from server client. Okay, then close it. Then I will compile it. Whether it is successfully compiled or not, you just see it. GCC. Okay, then it is sys socket. SOCKT sys socket is the find the error. So here what is that? This double y I have written. So we close it, then compile. So many errors to find failure. I have not written /n 5. So here write the /n find failure. Okay. Then I will close it. Then compile it. Okay, successfully compiled. So before, remember, whenever you create a program, you write the system and you write the clear. That means it will be clear the screen when you run the program. Okay. Then what we'll do here, instead of writing several times of my code, I will just copy this code up to bind and make a copy and put inside the client side. So here you will write the code, create it for client 5.c. Okay, then I'll paste it. Okay, then I'll be simple write down the connect function. Client is c is equal to connect. Okay, then what will write here? It is not server FD, it will change to the client FD. Okay, this is the client side. So here write the client FD, then here will pass the server information. So stock, attr, then pointer, ampersand, what will pass server, then you will write the size of what server. Okay, then if what c equal to -1, then p error, connection failed error, it will be occurred by the client. Then I will close this. Okay, then exit. So I will take 0. You print the message or the connected to the server. Connected to server. Then we close it. Okay. Then we save it. Then here first I will check it. I will compile it. Then I will see here I will compile this program. Is successfully compiled or not? But here find the error. I have written server FD, actually it is not server FD because of I have copy paste, so it is written automatically server FD. So I will change the client FD. Okay, then so I'll save it and close it. It is successfully compiled. Before that, here I'll be write the what next clear function. Yes, clearance is written. So here I'll be close this. Then what we'll do here, I will compile it. It's successfully compiled. .out run. Okay, then it will successfully run. Then here also same, it will compile it. Then .out successfully run. Obviously that connection to the connected also server and request access of site. Now I'll be use the for function. I have told you what is for function is used in the server side because to make a multiple processes for the client. So here what will do it. Now here I will write the while, because when you try to connect to multiple client, input the accept function inside the infinite loop. Okay, then while loop, then it is okay, this is accepted. Then what will do it, here we write program. Okay, here we write the program. For okay, accepted. Then here write the if. Suppose int pid is equal to 4. Okay, or it create a number of processes. If pid is equal to -1, then we write the p error. What is here fork error. Okay, /n. Okay, close. Then we can write if pid equal to -1. What will be right here? It will be right for what? Data communication. Data communication. Okay, then close it. Else what? na connection connection request. From client. Okay, then it will be closed. Okay, this is the code will be right, and remember this is the for your while loop. So here client may be simultaneously send the data at a time. So here again another loop this time. So okay, then it will be put here. Okay, I have told you that here in the client side data connection is not required, so here you close the which information here you close the inside for you will be close the what now close server. You no need server already inside this. Okay, then after I will uncomment it. See how why I will be uncomment this. For which reason? Okay, then what is right here? Client should first send the request, send the message. So here I first I will use the receive. So before that I will be here declare the two variables char snd support 20 and rcv for receive purpose 20. Okay, then here what will do here int r is equal to receive. Okay, then what will write now client fd okay client fd then we will write the rcv, then I will write the size of rcv. Okay, then size of rcv then 0. Okay, then it will be 0, and I am only writing rc function. You will be add to see my video send function and write in the comment box whether it is successful or not. So what will write here now rcv r is equal to, or I will add the null character, then printf what is message received from client is percentile s slash n what is the rc. Okay, then I will write this only. So I will be then the bracket will be closed. Okay, then else part you need to again what write the connection part. So this is the connection part. I will be make copy and here I will be writing up to 4. Okay, up to 4. So you need you remember one thing. If you write this code again, what will happen? Now it will be already I have written all these things because it is a parent process. So and fork again, if you write fork one side the another fork, then it will make a what na hierarchical tree. So I remove all the things it has already written. So here only I will close the what na your in the data come in the accept in the data not data come, it is a for in the what na connection code. There no need the client fd. So here I will close the client fd only. Okay, this will be I will be writing. Okay, then what will do here, and this will be I will be save here and compile. Okay, then you see whether we successfully compiled or not. Okay, then this you see so here I need to find RCB, but instead of RCB I have kept TCB. So here what will do, the 52 line will be write the not TCB, will write the RCB. Okay, then I will close it. Then yes, is successful. Then in the client side also no need to put the for function. Only here write the what now while and 1. Okay, and here write the char send 20. Okay, then here we write the printf enter message to server. Okay, then you will be write the here scanf percentile s, then will be write the snd. Okay, then here write the send what will write? Send client FD, FD, then SND, then what? strlen, SND, then it will pass the 0. Okay. Then remember, I want to close the if. When it will client will close if you have message sent, if strcmp, okay, then snd is equals to exit 0, then your loop should be terminated. Okay, I'll be close. Okay, then I'll be compile it, whether it's successful compile or not. See, so this is it, and it is also it is needed one bracket. It is telling you give to one bracket, so you are going to close the client FD. Okay, then it will close the bracket and compile it. Okay, successfully compile. And remember here one thing, here you should write the exit code. Okay, message from this. Then if what you write, here you write if strcmp, okay, strcmp rcb exit, okay, and then equal to 0, then what will happen? Now break. Okay, it will successful terminate the client. Then before client, it is should print the message what, and which client is disconnected. Here we write the message enter percentage s is disconnected from server. Now then, so you write inet underscore NTO network access key. Then you write client dot scene underscore ADDR. Okay. Then close it. Okay. Then close it. Okay. Then today for now. Okay. Then the if. Then if. Okay. But this is closed. Here this is closed. Then I will pass the compile. Okay. Then I will compile it. You write what? Line 60 are expected, else twice I have written X. Line 60, 70. Then what will write? I'll be sorted. So here if, then this bracket will be closed for else part it is not closed, so it is the else part. Okay, then compile it, then it will display identifier expected line 69, that is 69, 69 it will loop one bracket, it should be removed. Okay, this is for the while loop and this is for the main loop. That is 69, but why it is closed, and this is for the else part. Okay, I will compile it. It will see. Okay, whatever is here, dot slash take it out. Okay, then it is also compile live dot slash take it out. Suppose I have written hello. Suppose client is not requested hi. So I think the error in the server side. So here what will happen? Client will accept server FD while then INT client will -1, then P error, accept error, exit 0, if then INT variable for the -1 for error. Okay, then if PID equal to 0. Sorry, I have written this equal to 0. Okay, then run it. Okay, then I will compile it. Okay, then run it. I have written hello. Okay, hello is this thing. Okay, by this. Okay, then suppose again another terminal I will open and I will create here dot slash a dot out. Okay, then suppose please receive by this. Suppose this client will be close the connection. What will happen? You will display accept error and bad distress. So what will do it? I have told you why this error is occurred, because of when you close the connection, here you have written close server. That means if this FD is closed, then when accept function it will display bad FD. Okay, so better you will be either it uncomment, or you can write also what exit function. Inside exit function you will write the exit success. So better you will be close, uncomment this. That means your server will never close, and whenever next request will be come, it can be accepted. Okay, then we see it whether it is work or not. Okay, then we compile. Then I will comment it, and if you comment it, let's cancel it. Then you see run it. Then connection repeat. Oh, address is already bind. So I will tell you why this error is occurred. What is the problem? Problem is what? Now you have to wait either 2 to 3 minutes. Otherwise, you will write one code that will be remove the bind error. So here, what we'll do here, before bind, you will write the code. Suppose int opt. Okay, then set sock opt. Set opt will be write the what? Now your server FD, then socket, then we use a DDR, then pass the what is ampersand opt, then size of opt. Okay, we will write this code. It will be reusable your socket. Then compile it, save it. Okay, I have not remember actually this code, so it will be socket so it will write here SOL. No, there is a mistake. We use ATTR. So here I am the SOL, not SOL. So if you are not problem, then you better go to the what man set sock opt function, then it will be display the problem. So here set opt and label and option name. So what are the option names will be found below. So here we will go to the here. So it will display all the types. So here write the reusable ATTR, reuse underscore ATTR. You can write also reuse underscore ATTR, reuse underscore ATTR. Okay, reuse underscore ATTR. I think it will be work. I have not remember. So I will compile this. So here label and option below. So we use and label and specific protocol which gets updated. So option below. Types here we pass the BATA property. So you forget it. I'll be pass the link why to display binder. So now I'll be on comment it. Okay, I'll be on comment it and write these things. So now I think it will be work. Because sometimes 2 minutes have passed. So plus it out. Okay, then here you see this is the compile, then run, suppose hello. Okay, so then bye. Okay, then here we will show dot slash a dot out, suppose good, fine. Okay, then what will happen? You will press the exit, none it will display the error. Okay, the message will come exit, want to display also, then here also you can find the message, GG, and you also type also. Okay, then it's server still waiting for next new connection. So if you want to check, you find the option check stock OPT, that will be avoid the bind error.